Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael Odiba and I want to tell you how to make $1,000 with the coin Arbitrage. And then let's move on. You can start with $9 in this amazing platform, but look $100 does. Look at what $100 it does. Invest without this $100 I can invest it without having it. So according to the, if you want to 3.5% a day, if you want to get 3.5% in a day, know what to do. I'm here help you to guide you to set you started. But by the way, my business partners already at $1,000 a day with this golden rule. Do not get greedy, set a goal, diversify your money. Not put your egg in one basket. Like I normally said, do not borrow money to start this. 10 rules of success. Bookmark this on your wall. Be dream. Plan, set the goals, skills, build a team, work smart, build relationship, follow the procedures, pay the sacrifice, and then consistency is and then king. And enjoy. Disclaimer here, risk disclaimer here. Every information is given here is not a financial advisor. I am not one, and I'm telling you, do your diligence before you invest any amount of money on this platform. In as much as it's paying, I want to say that you should do your diligence before you invest any money. So guys, let's move on. How to make $1,000. Now, making $1,000 is easy. If you have a great platform, it is easy to do any figure if you want. Get some good money lying around. However, there is a risk attached to this platform. The risk is that you are depositing your money on a platform that you are not in control. That is a risk. Heavy risk. heavy risk. You are not in control of your money, so it's a big risk. The good news is that there are the same credible platform that has made many millionaires, and the COTP is one of them. So COTP is one of them. I have personally pulled out over $800 from this platform under 30 days, and all of this money is pure profit. So how do you earn $1,000 in a month from COTP? It's simple. You've got $1,000, that's about 600,000 naira in naira lying somewhere. Just place it on the platform. Trade every 2 hours, buying and selling USDT at a profit from different countries of the world. Trade this 8 to 9 times in a day. Here, 9 times per day for 25 to 30 days, and you will be doubled your capital. So if you are trading with $1,000 capital, you will get $2,000 in 25 to 30 days. If you trade with 500, you will get 1,000. If you trade with 100, you will get 200. The minimum amount you can trade on this platform is $9 to $10. That means if you start with $10, expect to double it to $20 to $30 after 30 days. It's an interesting platform to be in. In case you do not get the details of this platform, you can watch the video. I have a video here. See how the Arbitrage works. I have a video on how this CFTP works. How to earn money from USDT Arbitrage. After watching this video, you may also use the link. There's a link in this video to get on board if you want to be part of this platform. Join us on CFTP. Click on the registration link in the video. My WhatsApp number, kindly contact me. WhatsApp line 070-30381485 so that we can add you to our group for more tips on how to multiply your capital. Now, here is the 5 steps you need to start trading immediately. Register on COTP. This is COTP. It's COTP. So this is my COTP account. I have made withdrawal already. This is one of my accounts. I've made withdrawal on this account. I started with $20 and I withdraw about $50 at the end of the month. So all you do is just to fund your account, and then when you fund your account, register, fund your account, verify your account by doing KYC. Watch the video. I have a video on how to do KYC. Fund your account. You must start with 100 or more for tangible profit. So if you want to make profit, you must start with $100. Good profit. Watch the video, recharge your account. I have a video on this channel on how to recharge. I'm going to put in the description video. Learn how to trade on OCOTP. Click, there's a video there too you need to watch. Enjoy the profit as you make up to 3.6% on your capital daily. Just do the above steps. Register, do your KYC, fund your account with tangible amount. Know what you can afford to lose. If it's $100 you can afford to lose, fine. If it's $1,000, if it's $50, $20, $10, do what you can afford, because anything happens tomorrow, I will not be held responsible, please. Then you now fund your account, then you now start trading. There's a video for that, and enjoy profit on a daily basis. Just do the above steps as you make money every day. Simple tapping on your mobile phone, just like I did on my mobile phone now, and you just make your trading translate. All withdrawals can be received within your account, under your account, 5 minutes. Maximum is 5 minutes. It doesn't up to that. I tried the withdrawal and it's a very sweet business indeed. You need to do this. You need to do it. Start by registering now. There's a link in this video. The 5 steps above. Be on your way to cashing out daily from this coin Arbitrage. Hope you do not miss out this opportunity to your success. Every crypto business has a measure of risk to attach to it. I will advise that you only put in money you can afford to lose. Here's my exit plan. Like I always say, you can trade for 1 month, double your capital, pull out your capital, then continue trading with the profit and withdraw procedures from the new capital every week. Tell a friend of mine, a friend of mine actually did 5,000 COTP. Double their capital, trading capital, to $10,000 in 25 days. Then they continue with 5K. So they have taken their capital out of the system. Anything happens now, they cannot be at loss. That is what I'm saying. Anything happens now, they can never be at loss. So why won't you do the same thing? Put in 100, 30 days, put your 100 back, and you're already in profit. The next 30 days, making it 60 days, you're already in profit. I tell you, you're already in profit. So 1,000 is about 600,000 naira now. If you are doing that in 1 month, you have your 600,000 naira back. So what are you talking about if you can't make money? Then it's left for you. I have a script that I can be doing this trading for you on a daily basis. I'm going to do a video. I'm going to attach it to one of my accounts, this very account I've shown you guys, on how to do that video, on how to make use of that on a daily basis. That you don't need to come to your mobile phone and trade now. Let me just go to my mobile phone now. Go to my account. You can see here you can do this on your account on a daily basis. But there's a script that will be doing it. All you do, just come and check how much he has made for you in a day, and you walk away. There are free ones, there are cheaper ones, but you need to have a laptop. But I'm going to do a video version and a laptop version on how to put that script, and it will be trading for you every 2 hours, so you don't need to do it yourself. So that is what I'm talking about. So guys, if you find this video helpful, this channel will talk about finance, we'll talk about cryptocurrency and affiliate marketing. So if you want to be part of us, guys, try and click like. The bell icon is there. Whenever I drop a new video, you can be part of us and understand what we do here and how you can earn with Michael. See you in the next video. Bye.